Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the Instagram app, signed in and ready. First, tap your profile icon at the bottom right. This brings you to account settings quickly. Once on your profile, make sure to open the three-line menu in the top right. This reveals settings. Tap Settings, then Privacy. You do this because the call log and message controls are nested there. Proceed now. Locate activity or calls-related options listed inside Privacy to move toward clearing history. Once inside Privacy, scroll to Activity or the Calls section. Instagram updates labels, so check both. You should see video calls or call history. Tap it to reveal individual entries with timestamps. Now select the first entry you want removed. Swipe or tap the three-dot menu beside it and choose Delete or Clear. Repeat for each entry. Make sure to confirm prompts. Instagram often asks you to confirm deletion so accidental removals don't happen. After deleting entries, close Instagram fully and reopen it. This forces a refresh so you can verify removals. If some history still appears, sign out and then sign back in, or choose Log Out Everywhere from security to clear synced records on other devices. Make sure the app is updated. Outdated versions sometimes fail to remove items. If deletions still fail, reinstall Instagram or contact support. Logging details and screenshots will help them resolve sync or cache problems faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.